makes some pretty cool noises. There's definitely no power gain. Sounds awesome though. Oh yeah. All those VTEC unicorns. It's a shame we barely cracking. We're not even hit 60 k's per hour, so that's how lame that is. But once we get this car registered, tidied up, new suspension, new seat belt, all the lights, brakes, everything works fine, we get it registered, it'll be time for engine conversion and make some actual horsepower, some actual kilowatts and some actual gains. But considering this is the first and only time I'll be driving this car for many months, I thought we'd airbox it just for some fun. Shout out to my mate Derek, who does this to every car he gets. Damn, that sounds fast. It's not fast at all. Yeah. Stay tuned for episode 2, where we start to do the body work and restore the car, tidy it up, neaten it up, and get it ready for registration and roadworthy. So that'll be not the most exciting thing in the world, but it should still be fun to come along and learn with me and learn Hondas, especially considering I've never owned one and always swore that I would never have a Honda, but here I am. I realized what the internet and the world has known for a long time, and the Mexicans and the Puerto Ricans, is that Hondas are cheap, Hondas are reliable, and they are very fast when you chuck a little bit of money at them. So stay tuned. If you're interested to see how this GTR killer goes in the future, make sure that you like and subscribe. At the moment I've got a massive 5 followers, 5 subscribers. I'd like to get that to 5 million, wouldn't we all? But yeah, let's like and share and show your friends, and if you want to just have a laugh or, you know, fight me in the comments, go ahead, it all helps. But if anyone is local down in Melbourne, Springvale, or anywhere in Victoria that wants to help out with the project and that wants to get involved, or maybe even a sponsor, a bit hard to ask for that when you've got 5 subscribers, but ideally this is a budget GTR killer, and as little as it can cost, the better. I keep going for reverse. I'm used to my 6-speed cars, and lucky we're not keeping this gearbox, that's all I can say. I've done it maybe 3 times, but otherwise it drives really nice. So let's see how we end up, see where this goes. The aim for 10s in the future.